So, hello there guys. Alright, today we're going to be doing a mod to the shell. So this is the XTM XT2E shell. Here's the buggy. So what we're going to be doing is, we've got some Velcro on the sides. And we've also got these clips, which are really good clips because they're long. So they basically go through two posts, if that makes sense.
On this buggy they do, yeah.
So because we don't want to lose these clips because they're pretty good, we did it with our other cars, which
are over here.
We can see.
So got these, so you don't lose them. Same on this as well.
So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drilling some little holes through here, which I will do in a minute. Drill the holes through there, and then what you do is you get one of these zip ties, and might as well do it now. You just stick the zip tie through. You obviously zip it up, and then you do it as tight as you can, so you don't lose it. And then there's the zip tie on the clip. Do it to the other one. This can work on any clip.
On any car.
And then you...
So you don't have to lose them. These are what we're using. Tensile strength. How many we got in this set, and the size.
So we've got the clip sorted with the zip ties, and this will be used to cut the T-Rex tape. We recommend using duct tape, T-Rex tape, Gorilla tape, whatever, anything that will just keep it nice and secure and waterproof.
Some strong tape is better. You can use sellotape, but it might not last as long.
So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drill the hole near to the actual bit where the post is. So for example, we've found a nice spot here where we're going to drill the hole. It's a little dip. So if you just put it there.
That lose your drill bit of the paragraph.
And then you stick the zip tie through the hole, as you can see. This is the wrong clip, so it'll go through there. And then you make sure that it's long enough to actually reach to the... So that'll be long enough there. And then you hold it there, get some tape, which we're going to have to somehow peel off. And then you sort of stick it there without sticking your finger to the shell. So probably do 2 bits of tape.
And you pull on it like this. It ain't going anywhere.
And then it's literally just the same at the back. So you find a good spot. So do it straight in the middle. Probably do it about there.
And hold 2 fingers on the other side to help.
Just go in and out a few times just to make sure that it's nice and big. Just pick a piece of plastic off the inside. So it's a nice perfect hole. And then if we just get that and stick it there, find how much we need, so that's probably enough. And then pull it out a little bit more, and then that's the same process. Just get some tape, and yeah. struggle to undo the tape.
Do if it's T-Rex tape. And then you have to pull it tight or even cut it.
T-Rex tape. It's very good. Cost a £5.
It's also very good for strengthening your shells before you break them.
Yeah, we can show you that as well. At some point.
Need more tape first. Also cover the hole. There we go. Job done. And then just got to put it back.
You say that, but then it ain't been covered very well at the back. It's literally on the edge.
Yeah, it's fine. As long as it keeps it in. You saw me tug at it.
Right, and then...
It ain't going anywhere.
And then you get the car, obviously. And then if you look, you just... I forgot that we got Velcro on the side.
Keep dirt out.
Keep dirt out and keep it close to the chassis.
On these cars, it stops this side rubbing.
You just... Right. Stretch the shell, because you know that's what I've got to do. And then that goes in there. And that goes in there. Probably pull this one through a little bit.
Good luck with that.
And as you can see, it is held on pretty well. And you can just take them off. This one definitely has to be pulled through a little bit. The holes are only little, so they fit perfectly, as you can see.
And you won't lose your clips. Bashing and changing battery.
So if it's dark or whatever, you can just quickly pull them out.
Might take the front one off.
Take the front off, obviously, and then yeah. So I'm just going to pull this one a bit further through.
Yeah, if you can get the tape off. Good luck pulling it, it's still going to be tight on the end of it. It's just like the Armour and Traxxas clip retainers. But basically free or mega cheap.
And it works really well. Right, now let's retry that.
Much nicer fit.
There you go.
And that's that.
Simple. Thank you for watching.